Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all will be fit and fine at home. So, children, I'm back with same chapter, that is adaptation in plants, and today we will do the exercises of this chapter. I hope you have read this chapter well and you have understood it. And before starting the exercise, we will revise this chapter once again. What points we have revised? The first one was the different types of plants grow at different places. There are two types of plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants, and all the plants are growing at the different places. And the place where a plant grows naturally, that is called its habitat. Okay, and what is the meaning of adaptation? I told you the changes which help a plant to survive in its habitat, that is called its habitat. Sorry, adaptation. वो उसका adaptation होता है, means the changes which the plant is adapting to survive in its habitat, that is called as adaptation. And aquatic plants, terrestrial plants are found at different places. They can be found in the desert, they can be found in plain area, they can be found in the forest area. Wet forest area means that always rain is coming, and they can be also found in marshy area. So all these plants are called as terrestrial plants, and aquatic plants are basically of three types. What these are? Floating plant, the second one is fixed plant, and the third one is underwater plants. And we have also discussed about the insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants means carnivorous plants which trap insects, okay, which do not have chlorophyll. So how do they survive? They catch the insect, they eat it as a food, and then they survive. And we have also discussed about the non-green plants which do not have chlorophyll, and how they are getting their food. They are getting their food by the remaining of dead plants and animals. So now children, start the exercises, and firstly you have to take out page number, according to my book you can take out A51, otherwise you can see in your book which page number you have to take out. A51. And what question is given? Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The question is given in let's recall, that is fill in the blanks. इसमें आपको निकालना है let's recall. Okay, you can see. And what is the first question given? The place where a plant grows naturally is called its. Options are also given. Two options are given: habit and habitat. What would you fill in this, beta? Yes, that is called as habitat. So you can write the habitat. Then second, terrestrial plants grow on the dash. Terrestrial plants grow on the land. Are they growing on the river? So what would you write here? Land. Terrestrial plants grow on the land. The third question is, mango and shisham trees grow in dash. Where they are growing? Are they growing in plains and are they growing in deserts? Yes, mango and shisham की बात हो रही है बेटा. We also live in plain area. तो हमारे areas में ही होते हैं mango and shisham. You can write in this plains. Then cactus plant grow in dash. Are they growing in deserts? Are they growing in marshes? So that is desert. Okay, the fifth question is, mangrove tree grow in dash. Are they growing in marshes? Are they growing in ocean? So they are growing in marshes. You have to write down the spelling of marshes. M-A-R-S-H-E-S. You have to take also and you have to write it in blank also. Both things you have to do, children. Now you would take out page number A53. Page number A53 you have to take out. Okay, and what is first question given? That is, take the correct answer. Take the correct answer. And what is first question given? First question, which of the following plants grow in water? For that options are given. A option is neem, B duckweed, then cactus, then pine tree. So children, you know very well neem is growing in plain area. Okay, duckweed is a water plant, it is an aquatic plant. Cactus is a desert plant, it grows in desert, and pine grows on mountain area. So what is correct answer? The B, that is duckweed. So you can take on B. Then second question, which of the following plants bear cones? So cones, you know children, the plants which are growing on the mountain area, जो mountains पे उगते हैं उनमें cones develop होते हैं instead of flowers. They do not have flowers. Instead of flowers, they are having cones. So which plants? Plants that grows on mountain area. So you see which plant, which example is given according to the mountain. First option is cactus, second is pine, third is mangrove, then mushroom. What is correct answer? Yes, pine, B. Pine. Then third one, which of the following is an underwater plant? Underwater plant means जो under the water grow करते हैं. Is that pondweed? Is that duckweed? Is that lotus? Is that water lily? So children, I have told you pondweed is an underwater plant and duckweed is a floating plant. Okay, and lotus and water lily are fixed plants. So which is correct answer? A, pondweed. Pondweed. Then fourth question is, breathing roots are found in which plants have breathing roots? Yes, you know very well. Mangroves have breathing root and mangroves grow in marshy area. And these plants, जो actual root होते हैं, they are not able to breathe properly. So they are having some special kind of root which grows above the soil and they do breathe. Okay, so which plant have that? That is mangrove and that is C option. तो आप C पे लगाइए, tick and write down mangroves. Then fifth question. इसमें ऑप्शंस है आपके कैक्टस, फर, मैंग्रोव, पाम. सो मैंग्रोव इज करेक्ट आंसर. देन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, निडल लाइक लीव्स आर फाउंड इन प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो ऑन. निडल लाइक लीव्स किसमें होते हैं? यू नो वेरी वेल. प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो इन प्लेन एरिया, on mountain area, marshy area and pond area. Yes children, that is mountain. जो mountain पे उगते हैं they are having needle like leaves. So B option, mountains. Okay children, now we will turn page and page number 54 you have to take out. Page number 54 and in that true or false given. Page number 54. And page number 54 पे आपके true false हैं. Let's do it. And this is A part, this is B part. Okay, first question. What is first question? Fir and pine trees grow on mountain. Yes, fir and pine are the examples of plants which are growing on mountain. This is true statement. The second one is leaves of cactus plant are reduced to spine. Yes, that is also correct answer. So you will write true here. Duckweed and lotus are fixed plant. So children see duckweed and lotus. In that lotus is a fixed plant, but they are giving two examples, duckweed and lotus together. So duckweed is not a fixed plant. Duckweed is a floating plant. So you will write here false. This is not true. This is false statement. Then fourth one is leaves of lotus plant are broad and float on water. Yes, as you know that lotus is a fixed plant. The flower grows above the water, the surface of the water, and their roots are fixed in the soil and the water. So that is true statement. Then fifth is non-green plants have chlorophyll. this is not right. This is false because non-green plants do not have chlorophyll. That's why they are called as non-green plants. Now children, we will do the C part. Name the following. Name the following. And what is given in name the following? Two examples of plants that grow in plain. Two examples of plants that grow in plain. Plain area में होने वाले plants के two examples आप मुझे बताएंगे. That is banyan. You can write. Neem you can write. आपके एरिया में जो उगते हैं. And two they are asking, तो आप two यही लिख लीजिए, banyan and neem. Otherwise you can write shisham also. You can write gulmohar also. These all plants are growing in plain area. Okay. Then second question is two insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants means those plants eat, you can say trap insects inside them. जो insects eating plants होते हैं उनके आपको नेम बताने हैं. That is Venus flytrap. And children write down correct spelling, Venus flytrap. And the second one you can write peacher plant. What is the spelling of Venus? Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap peacher, Pitcher. Okay, peacher plant. Then third one is the season in which plants growing in plain and shade their leaves. In which season the plants growing in plain area, the plants which are growing in plain area, in which season they are shedding their leaves. कौन से season में अपनी leaves shade करते हैं? That is autumn. Write down correct spelling, A-U-T-U-M-U-N, sorry, M-N. A-U-T-U-M-N, that is autumn. Next question, two examples of underwater plants. Plants that grow underwater, and that is the example of aquatic plants. So which plants are growing underwater, children? Yes, you have to write down take grass and you have to write down the pondweed. And children, you have to learn it carefully. Pondweed is an example of underwater plant and duckweed is an example of floating plant. Okay. Now next question is the structure that bears seed in plants growing in mountain. The structure that bears seeds in plants growing in mountain. Instead of flower, the plants are having cones. Okay, on mountain area. The plants which are on mountain area, instead of flower, they are having their cones and they contain seed in it. जो seed उनके होते हैं वो cones में ही available होते हैं. So what is that structure? आप उसको cone ही लिखेंगे. You will write here cone because they are asking the structure. तो आप इसमें लिखो cone. Okay, children. Now you will do let's do, which is given on same page, page number 54. Some pictures are given and you have to identify these plants and write their names below. आपको उनके names लिखने हैं. So what is first given? Identify the plants and name them. The first picture is of cactus. Okay, children. And the second picture which you are looking, that is mangrove. Third picture is of peacher plant. Write down correct spelling. And the fourth picture is of mushroom. So write down here mushroom. Okay, children, do it. Now take out page number 55. Page number 55. Question given, search name of at least 3 plants in the word grid. Write down one feature of each. One has been done for you. So children, I am not making this grid, but you have to find out the words. Okay, which words you will find out in it? I am telling you. This is B question. Okay, and this was A. Let's do का ये A portion था. The first option is given for you, that is neem, and feature is also given that it has many branches. It is given in book. It has many branches, and you will find in this grid, you will find lotus, you will find peacher, and you will find spruce. So find out it. आप ये तीनों मिल जाएंगे, आपको ढूंढना है. Otherwise I will tell you in live class. Then peacher and spruce. Okay, and write down their feature. Lotus का feature आप लिखो इसमें. It grows in water. It grows in water. Peacher में लिखिए आप. It eats insect. Okay, this is a feature of peacher plant. And spruce में आप लिखेंगे it grows on mountain. It grows on mountains. Have needle like leaves. Have needle like leaves. Okay children, so now your exercise is completed. You will find these 3 words. आपको मिलेंगे ग्रिड में जो आपको फाइंड आउट करने हैं. What did you find? Lotus, peacher and spruce. And you will write the feature of it also. It grows in water. Peacher, it eats insects. Spruce, it grows on mountains. Have needle-like leaves. So children, these are the exercises of chapter 7, and you have to learn it also after doing it. Thank you.